Hey guys, welcome. So, as you all know, today is 7th of Feb, which means today is our Fiery Bee's birthday, who is none other than Yogesh Maheshwari. And on this occasion, we are holding a small contest, which is Who Knows Yogesh Better? बहुत दोस्त बने, but now it's time to know who is your that one true friend. Well, the contestants will be taken through 3 stages, each of them increasing in difficulty regarding Yogesh's life and his choices and everything about just this fiery bee. Well, the contestants are first the confident Onella, who thinks actually her verdict is that she knows you better than anybody. She's pretty confident she's gonna win. Second is Marwari boy connection, Anurag Jaju. Third is our very own sexy boy, Gautam Mandale. Fourth is the deep thinker, less speaker, Rumit Vagani. And last and the least is Kyle. So, well, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and comment down below. Happy birthday to this birthday boy. And I'll see you in the next one next year. So, guys, before we start with the actual contest, we are taking all the contestants through one very informal round where we are getting them comfortable with some basic questions about their relation with Yogesh. So, check it out. Onella, what is your favorite memory with Yogesh?
So, my favorite memory would be when we used to come back from class and we used to climb the bridge, and me and Rachit used to find opportunities to pick his bag up and smack him.
Great. Having said that, what is one nickname you would like to give him apart from all his existing ones?
So this nickname is related to the previous memory. I would like to call him Peachy Buttocks.
Saw that coming. Rumit, what is your favorite memory with Yogesh?
फेवरेट मेमोरी विद योगेश इज़ क्लास के बाद कॉफ़ी पीने जाना, क्योंकि इसको कॉफ़ी सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, रोज़ पीता है। और कभी भी कोई भी इवेंट में हम लोग साथ में होते तभी वो मतलब हमेशा मेरे साथ ही रहता है, मतलब और कहीं पर कोई मिले ना मिले हमेशा मेरे साथ बात करता है।
Oh, okay. Next is, if you could give something to Yogesh physically, what would it be?
एपेक्स का बैटल पास।
वो से already मिल गया.
नहीं, वापस उसको।
Okay, so my favorite memory with Yogesh was, I guess in the maths class when we were actually writing down a test, and he was on the second last bench and I was on the second bench, opposite sides, and randomly, because I finished my paper, I was just looking behind or probably waiting for a extra sheet or something, and then I just looked behind and then essay, and then at the same moment he had looked up, and then we both exchanged this really weirdly funny smile, and then we kept doing that for the rest of the paper, which was very oddly satisfying and funny. So yes, that was one of my best memories with him. And one quality that I like one quality that I like in him is that he maintains his calm even in the worst of situations. I've seen it. I remember 3 years ago I told him that you're the most serious person I've met in classes. But right now I would like to rephrase that he's the most chill person I've actually ever met. So yeah, that's something I really like about you. You're very calm and chill, but very moody.
हैप्पी बर्थडे योगेश, अभी 19 साल का हो गया। आई एम टेलिंग यू लाइक यू डोंट नो ऑलरेडी। एनीवे, माय फेवरेट मेमोरी ऑफ योगेश इज प्रोबेबली ऑल द टाइम्स आई प्लेड क्रिकेट विद हिम। पहले तो उसको इतना अच्छे से आता है, इसलिए और मजा आता है उसके साथ खेलने में। एंड देयर इज वन थिंग आई हैव नोटिस्ड, लाइक ट्वाइस एटलीस्ट इट्स हैपेंड, दैट उसका पहला अगर इनिंग व्हाट इज इट लाइक पहला बैटिंग अगर उसका अच्छा गया तो सेकंड बैटिंग में वो डक पे आउट होएगा, या तो अगर पहले में डक पे आउट हुआ तो सेकंड में बहुत अच्छा खेलेगा। वो 2 बार तो एटलीस्ट हुआ है। एंड माय फेवरेट, नॉट माय फेवरेट बट द थिंग आई लाइक अबाउट हिम और मिस अबाउट हिम इज He is very well versed with current affairs, like अभी क्या हो रहा है, news in tech, he knows everything. तो उसके साथ ऐसे discussion करने में मजा आता था मेरे को.
Okay, Anurag, what is your favorite memory with Yogesh?
My favorite memory with Yogesh would be I don't know if it's a memory, but I love playing cricket with him. या तो चाहे उसके मंदिर के यहाँ हो चाहे टर्फ पे हो, मेरे को उसको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आता है. वो जैसे छक्कों पे छक्के मारते रहता है हर बॉल पे. So yeah, that would be my favorite memory.
Okay, that's nice. And what is one thing that you like in Yogesh?
I like his dedication towards his YouTube channel. That's
True.
that's what
Something
I
you
like.
should be inspired from.
Yes.
उसके 140.
Okay, Anurag, what is your favorite memory with Yogesh?
My favorite memory with Yogesh would be I don't know if it's a memory, but I love playing cricket with him. या तो चाहे उसके मंदिर के यहाँ हो चाहे टर्फ पे हो, मेरे को उसको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आता है. वो जैसे छक्कों पे छक्के मारते रहता है हर बॉल पे. So yeah, that would be my favorite memory.
Okay, that's nice. And what is one thing that you like in Yogesh?
I like his dedication towards his YouTube channel. That's
True.
that's what
Something
I
you
like.
should be inspired from.
Yes.
उसके 140.
Okay, Anurag, what is your favorite memory with Yogesh?
My favorite memory with Yogesh would be I don't know if it's a memory, but I love playing cricket with him. या तो चाहे उसके मंदिर के यहाँ हो चाहे टर्फ पे हो, मेरे को उसको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आता है. वो जैसे छक्कों पे छक्के मारते रहता है हर बॉल पे. So yeah, that would be my favorite memory.
Okay, that's nice. And what is one thing that you like in Yogesh?
I like his dedication towards his YouTube channel. That's
True.
that's what
Something
I
you
like.
should be inspired from.
Yes.
उसके 140.
The second one, huh?
हाँ.
Only the second one?
Yeah, only the second one.
No, Gabu.
चल यार गौतम.
What is the one quality that you would like to have which is there in Yogesh?
It is in Yogesh. His helping nature, because he's damn helpful, and I had a pain in my thigh, so he came from his house to mine just to give that tail, so I could feel better. So that's the.
That's
Became
Can I
every day.
You are asked.
Our
favorite memory
is Apex.
okay. And okay. If apart from अगर apart from your normal 11th and 12th, if you
यार
had
इनकी हंसी आएगी.
if not in 11th and 12th, what time in your life would you like to meet Yogesh? Like if he had not met you in 11th and 12th.
I would meet him in school, and for a reason I can't say on camera.
And I would meet Yogesh at Vidita's wedding, of course. So we would meet there, I guess.
Just
if
for
we are
that-
still in touch.
Just for that, Kyle, there's a unanimous request. You have to do the Garmi ka step. Come on. Okay, Onella, the first question is for you. Who was Yogesh's favorite sir in 11th and 12th? Option A, Vijay sir. Option B, Ravi sir. Option C, Abhishek sir. Or option D, Math sir from Alpha College.
See, I know it's Abhishek sir, but
The next question is for Kyle. Which game does he like to play the most?
Chronology.
A. Apex, B. PUBG, C. Tomb Raider, or D. FIFA?
It's not Tomb Raider, it's Tomb Raider. First.
So to answer the question, that's A.
नहीं वो ऐसे बोलता है. But Apex.
No, you're wrong. It's PUBG.
Oh shit.
oh shit.
Choose you the question.
No, Vidita, you are wrong. It's 4G.
चल उठ जा.
And
जो
just
अपने
for
साथ
that,
Apex क्यों खेलते रहते हैं वो हमें क्यों इरिटेट कर रहे हैं मेरे को खेलना ही नहीं है मेरे को खिलाते रहते हैं ये रुक जा पावर ऑफ एडिटिंग रुक जा वापस
क्या?
PUBG
Rumit, which song is his favorite? A. Lollipop, B. Happier, C. तेरा बन जाऊंगा या D. मैं हुस्न परी.
घुंघरू मेरे को मालूम है घुंघरू उसका भी।
Actually, man,
Yeah.
question was wrong. That's true.
Vinita, you have to walk.
That's not allowed.
You have to do garmi step.
Okay, so yeah, bonus points for that.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Nice.
and your bonus is let's talk about it later. Okay. Fourth question to Anurag.
Yes.
Which sir's cricket gameplay does he love the most? Vinay sir, B. Arun sir,
हाँ.
yeah, C. Abhishek sir.
It should be Vinay sir, but I'll go with Vinay sir. He is my favorite. Arun sir.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Arun sir, correct. So,
योगेश तुझे भी मालूम था नहीं योगेश झूठा है हमें कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है हम दोनों को रोज खेलते हैं उसके साथ झूठा है तू
नहीं, कोई disclaimer दे दो.
Ignorance है.
नहीं
Guys,
the
bus.
false
Oh, now that he's there, there is no aspect.
Just a disclaimer, he loves all sirs playing, but personal choice. Fifth is to Gautam. Okay, this I should have asked you. Okay. Fifth is to Gautam. What do you think is his favorite eatery joint? A. MacD, B. Prithvi Cafe, C. Mithibai College, या D. Momos in Villepalde East.
I think it's B. Prithvi Cafe.
Yeah, that's correct. Chal Kyle,
हाँ वो I'm back.
just because
हाँ
we had pity on you and everyone got it correct. There's this one question to
everyone
ask.
got it correct apparently if you see a jump cut in the middle na when Adela said her answer
Cut
you know
कर
she got it
देना.
right
One like extra question, just because we have large-hearted. What do you think he has done that classifies him as a cheater? A.
everything
A. Ditched RK and played Apex with Zodiac Bhai.
Smart move. Smart move.
how dare
B.
you
That's smart move. I just heard
B.
this arcade.
Didn't do the Garmi step. Didn't show the Garmi step to Vidita and Onella.
Aww.
C. Doesn't shave full mustache even on demand.
thank God he said mustache
You have one correct answer. There was an extra option D, all of the above, but I purposely cancelled it. just
thank
for
you Vidita
Because it had to be difficult.
of course RK has to be the option they are always right
Unfortunately, the answer is B.
of course
but
it is
What is option B?
Didn't show Garmi step to Vidita and Onella. And also,
we have just clarified that Vidita is also a duty
एक मिनट मैं क्वेश्चन बनाता
And
मैं आरके डालता
Are you
always look at our finalists. Absolutely lovely. Some people are trying to get out. Some amazing postures.
amazing posture
All of them are confident that they'll win.
Vidita is so good at giving adjectives
What is your excitement level, guys?
Yogesh bhai.
That's it. Okay, so your second round is gonna be even more tougher.
Oh shit.
Is it gonna be two truths, one lie, and you have to identify the wrong statement,
The lie.
the lie. And if you don't, you're not a good friend. Be careful.
Oh shit. My friendship is at line.
There's a lot of pressure mounting
There
up.
is there.
oh God
Am I in the frame?
Who wants to go first?
Gautam
I will give you all an
Gautam.
open this thing.
Gautam.
Onella.
Confidence.
Gautam. That is your steam spirit. Like, that is how you do it.
get ready for jump
Your last.
Okay, your first, I'm asking you a question, two truths, one lie. First one statement is, he writes really well and derives good analogies while writing. Second, he has done Java coding and not C+ in school. Third, he has gone for almost all field trips in school. What is the one lie?
all our lives Yogesh is a dude I don't like him
He has gone for almost all,
Yeah.
which is see
No, he's gone
almost.
for almost all, yeah.
Almost all.
Almost means he's missed some.
There is loophole.
There is loophole.
I
The
don't-
Java thing is true. The Java he has learnt and not C++. I know that. And I think it's almost all school trips is a lie.
Your answer is correct, but the justification is wrong. He's not gone for any field trips.
Exactly, yeah. Because
Yeah.
he told me his sister went for the field trip and he was like, he doesn't know how to ask his dad. So,
Oh.
That's how you remember.
Bonus
That is
point.
a good friend. Yes.
Yeah.
That's bonus point.
मतलब हम दोनों लीड कर रहे
Guys, clap for them. Kyle, clap.
Lovely.
Kyle, clap.
Kyle Gurney step.
I do that. No.
Okay.
I don't like you.
So losers. Next is
Vinita, I think is entrapment and fraud more than others.
who wants to go next? There you go.
Next
Okay.
one.
Your questions are: his first good friend in classes was Jagat. Second statement: his most favorite subject is maths.
This is the
And third, he almost never had to buy rough books since he got most from Maheshwari Mandal.
from Sarkari Bhandar.
That's सरकारी भंडार.
तू उसको क्यों सुनता है?
अरे वो तो
इम्पोर्टेंस देख रहा ना तू देख रहा है इम्पोर्टेंस योगेश और मैं भारू मैं हूँ भारू यही है तेरा गर्लफ्रेंड की क्वेश्चन
I think maths. That's the lie.
That's correct. So what?
No,
according-
that's wrong.
ये क्या है
So like
सही है.
correct. So that's the lie. You
Oh.
detected.
ये तुमको पता नहीं है क्या आंसर है ये पता नहीं है
योगेश महेश्वरी मंडल तो obviously I know that.
Okay, just on this.
तू तो आई मत
Next,
Next.
Rumit. Rumit,
Yes.
a tough question.
Oh my god.
Beware. First statement: his favorite sport is cricket. Second, in cricket he loves batting more than bowling. Third, he loves bowling more than batting.
दिस इज बुलशिट ये गलत है मेरे को क्या क्वेश्चन
These are all certified questions which are asked. So I'm pretty
Oh
sure
God,
that
the game is rigged.
These are past questions.
because
Paper question. मेरे को क्यों एडवांस से आ रहा है मेरे? बाकी सब चीजें.
5 पेपर में आता है.
what is your final answer?
C.
He loves-
He loves bowling more than batting.
That is the lie.
Lie.
You are unfortunately wrong. He likes, actually, the truth is he likes bowling more than batting.
Bowler
So that is your wrong. This thing.
चलो
So,
निकलो मैं कॉल करके पूछ
सही है.
But I think Rumit got bonus points in the first.
No, but still he's out.
bonus.
मतलब खाली मैं ही बोला मुझे चाहिए
Rumit out.
अच्छा वीडियो भी
बलून.
खत्म होना चाहिए ना.
बलून जा रहा है बलून
जाना है ना.
Yeah.
Bye, sucker.
Bye.
You did well.
It's okay यार, good job.
Who wants to go next?
Oh shit now.
Hottie.
Shit, मेरे को नहीं लगा कि ये आएगा
Okay, before we go on to this one, because I'm going to ask him a difficult one. What are your odds that he will answer correct?
Odds on हे ये तो बहुत अच्छा है अनुराग बता
50%. Chal. What do you
Because
think?
there's a probability
I
of
think
him
Will he
answering
will he get it
50-50
correct or not?
Yes, I have faith in Gautam.
Kyle, what are your views?
Fresh amount or
मेरे को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता देखा जाए
Rumit तो अभी out हुआ.
मेरे को difficult question देखना है
50%.
50%.
Chalo.
I think it's 25. Chal.
Okay. So the question for you is: first statement, he is short-tempered. Second, he is moody. Third,
big ass
he helps everyone irrespective of who they are. I had to
अब डिलेमा आ गया है ये हमें अपना प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर आंसर दे कि नहीं
Oh shit. Hey,
I know
this is
the
a
answer.
difficult
I
question.
know the answer.
So what do you think is the lie? First, I'm repeating it again. आखिरी पढ़ा.
आखिरी पढ़ा
First, he is short-tempered. Second, he is moody. Third, he helps everyone irrespective of who they are.
तीनों का आंसर उसको
I
ही
think
पता
it's
This is
B
subjective.
mostly.
है। तू विदिता
You can be correct or don't overthink.
सोच रहा है
अरे सो गया ये उठा उसको
I think it's B.
The lie you chose is B. He is moody, which is wrong because it's wrong. Like, he's not correct. You will have to.
But why? What's the answer?
What is the
The
right
first
answer?
one, he's never short tempered.
What is not
ये
the short
क्रिकेट में हो जाता है
He's not.
That is spirit of the game.
रुक जा एक बार इसको नो रेट बढ़ने दे गेम में फिर देख शॉर्ट टेम्पर कैसे बाहर आते हैं वेट व्हाट
So, as I told before,
अरे भाई
as I told before, he's not short tempered.
Yes.
Yogesh always knew how to be the finalist because I'm awesome.
Truths.
Only truth.
Anything
Acha,
that
what's
you want to say?
Yogesh, you are my Marwadi bro, and
That's why Anurag is going to fail you.
that's
Okay, in this final round, you both are going to get a set of questions fired by me.
oh my god.
And one thing that you'll have to do is there is not going to be like, I'm not going to direct the question especially to
Bring it on.
anybody. So you all both have to remove noises and then go ahead and I will choose whoever is has to answer.
What kind of noise?
So Anurag, what noise are you going to remove?
I'm going to remove A.
Ooh.
Okay. And we've got our three panelists who are given one more
I thought they were losers.
decisions. They are given one more work. You all have to be the extra people who will help me.
You're
because
wrong.
I can't.
out I don't care you're out
I can't decide to understand whoever has made the first
Vinita,
one. So your first question is, I'm going to give you options. Who is his favorite cricketer?
Ooh.
Are
A
you-
cricketer who believes in himself is a favorite.
And that's the right answer.
धक्के आप जीत
Uncle ही जीत गए, oh shit.
वीडियो एड चालू है
Anybody have
So
no
I'm going
idea?
to give you
वापस बोल
Options
क्वेश्चन
are
वापस
Yeah, options.
क्वेश्चन वापस बोलना
So who is his favorite cricketer? A. Rohit Sharma. B. Yuvraj Singh. C. Sachin Tendulkar. या D. Virat Kohli.
Ooh.
अनुराग
Sachin.
No.
Ah.
Shit.
Tell me the options again, please.
अरे
Rohit
यार
Sharma.
क्या है मेरे को लगा
B. Yuvraj Singh. C. Sachin Tendulkar. या D. Virat Kohli. He said Sachin. and
Virat
Virat.
Kohli.
Manila smart.
No.
Rohit
Both
Sharma.
of them are again
जीरो
or wrong.
वापस चांस नहीं मिला
What युवराज सिंह
Yeah.
His
तेरे
favorite
को वो
player.
छक्के मारने वाले अच्छे लगते हैं क्या भाई
छक्कों पे
क्या
छक्के
अरुण सर भी उस दिन क्या आदमी
That's his favorite cricketer. So
जीरो जीरो
शिट
मेरे को ये आंसर बता
Zero, zero.
और मैं इधर बैठा हूँ
Yeah.
राउंड वन
तू
से
क्यों बोलता
ये
है
गलत है योगेश
वीडियो चालू है
हाँ
This
मैं-
is-
मेरे को तेरे बारे में मैं अभी फेक हो जाएगा छोड़
चल
roll at 0 level.
I'm getting to know
Next one.
about him.
Be quick, okay? What is his current phone color?
Ooh,
Hey, I thought options they give.
हाँ
you. I
ऑप्शंस के
knew
बाद ही
it.
ठीक है।
Options, options,
और-
yeah.
ठीक है option. What is his current phone color? A. Black. B. White. C. Blue. D. Grey.
Ah. Blue.
Correct.
Vanilla.
So there's one love.
लव
यार मैं ब्लू बोल रहा था
लव 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 वन लव
Options
अरे
क्या?
वन लव
One-
रचित का नाम मिल रहा है रुक जा
Next question. Which nickname do you think he secretly loves the most?
whichever you get
A. Bihari. B. Maheshwari. C. Yogi. या D. Yogesh.
Ah.
ऑनेला
Yogi.
नो
No.
Ooh, बिहारी
करेक्ट वन वन
That's one all.
तीसरा क्या योग पूछा
योगेश
नहीं योगेश तो फोर्थ था
योगेश उसके टीचर
तुम बाद में डिस्कशन करोगे
Arun, हाँ.
कैन इट बी इन वन फ्लो
नहीं, अभी
यस
से-
यस
Okay.
एडिटिंग करना पड़ेगा यार
Next one. We are at 2-1. Which song is his favorite? A. Lollipop.
ये तो अभी पूछा था
पूछा था.
हाँ,
मुझे पूछा
वेदिता वेदिता
Sorry.
बोनस मिलेगा
Sorry. Correct.
Bonus point से खुश हो गया.
Again, this one you have to choose which is the lying statement. This is a wrong statement, okay, which he does not do.
But उसको even हो
First.
जाएगा.
तू करने दे.
Yeah. So it's 2-1, and then what is the wrong statement among these three? A. He likes to dress up. B. He prefers trousers over jeans. C. In childhood he was dressed as a girl in a ghagra,
The first one.
which is
He likes to dress up.
that's correct. That's the wrong one. That's 2-all. Tough competition.
जीन्स का फिटिंग थोड़ा
हाँ.
होता है.
That's
I can
that's the
understand.
solution.
I can
Whatever.
understand.
But same.
Okay. This one,
It's 2-1 now.
it's
To
2-all.
all.
How to
This
all?
is the final
Because you
deciding
got, both of
question.
you were 1-1, then you got 1, now she got 1. So it's 2-all. Okay, last two questions. Last two questions, and it's gonna decide. Okay.
Oh shit.
Again, you have to choose the wrong statement. First, he ditched a new phone for PS4 in 10. Second, he would come to classes in a rickshaw. And C, he helped others cheat in tests.
Anurag.
He came to class in rickshaw.
Correct. So he came via.
Yeah, I
Okay.
knew this.
Cool. This is the last question. You all
This
can
is the
either make it
decider.
a.
This is the tiebreaker.
If I win, I get 100 points.
Winner gets all. Winner
So
wins.
you all okay. So in the last question, basically, this one has 2 points. So either Anurag can get it and he can win, or either Onela can get it and she can win by 1 extra point. So this question has got
Basically, whoever gets it wins.
Yeah, there's only one.
keep it of 100 only, no, by 2
So
only.
next is this is a tiebreaker question.
नहीं, she didn't learn from winner sir.
अरे
तुमको एक ही क्वेश्चन आएगा 50 मार्क्स का. फिर क्या करें?
This is your final question. Again, you have to choose the wrong statement.
How make sound?
First one, he likes the color blue. Second, in Apex, he likes Wraith more than Bloodhound. And third, he likes Chappal more than shoes.
The wrong one has to say,
The
na?
wrong one.
What was the first one?
He likes the color blue.
The second one is wrong.
In Apex, he likes Wraith more than Bloodhound. Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's wrong. Because he likes Wraith more than Bloodhound, and you mentioned as a wrong statement, which is.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, Vinita. Any more iterations of he is wrong.
So you
She is
have-
out of the game. She's a loser.
So obviously,
She's like me.
we have one winner, but
तो मारवाड़ी भैया. अरे मारवाड़ी भैया.
मैं तेको योगेश तू समझ गया.
okay, guys.
My luck.
Yeah, so it was very close
Hey.
call.
I clearly know him better.
ये बेचारा अग्री भी कर रहा है.
अरे लेकिन नहीं.
So yeah,
योगेश भी सीख रहे हैं भाई. वो नोट ले रहे हैं उधर.
so I hope you
Always
liked
right.
the game.
Yes, we
Yes,
love
we
that.
enjoyed it.
Except
जीतो.
No.
ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. So yeah, आवाज बढ़ाओ यार. We've got one.
आवाज
final.
बढ़ाओ.
And the winner of this contest of Who Knows Yogesh Better is none other than the Marwari boy, Anurag Jaju.
You don't deserve it.
Thank you.
So the prize was not declared in the start of the competition, and we've got 2 of our sponsors who are none other than Rachit and Kyle, aka RK, who are giving the prize. What is the prize?
RK Battle Pass.
What? RK.
This prevents battles in your relationship. Here is your prize.
Abesh,
I'm
This is a word
overwhelmed.
first.
I don't know what to say.
it was in a special giveaway.
I want to मतलब मैं बोलूँ क्या?
I want to thank God.
I want to share this prize.
Share. Share. You can't do
Sharing
no
is not
sharing.
caring.
RK doesn't share.
This is battle pass.
I would
Now
request the
prize is
sponsors
mine.
to be quiet.
So I would like to share this prize with my fellow contestant who
Just a contestant.
Yeah, I don't know.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
बैटन पासिस
अच्छा से दे. Hi, nice, thanks. Let's go.
Let's,
हैप्पी बर्थडे योगेश.
Happy birthday, Yogesh.
happy birthday, Yogesh. Happy birthday, Yogesh.
3
Happy
2
one.
Happy birthday,
Yogesh. वापस बोलो. 3.
Now you do 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.